Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be really different. I have my mom here with me today.
Hello, Caroline.
This is my mom, Caroline, and we are having our own cooking show today. We are making apple pie for the very first time. Never made it before, but it should be fun.
Yes. We went to North Star Orchard. We purchased some big pumpkins, and we also got like 20, 30, maybe 40 apples.
We got more than that.
Oh yeah, we got a lot
of apples.
We're gonna try to attempt to make apple pie and apple crisp or chips.
Yes.
Through the air fryer. That's plus.
Let's get started. We have some apples already cut up here, and we're gonna add some ingredients to it. 3/4 cup of sugar.
Oh.
We have 2 tablespoons of flour. 1 teaspoon, it's not hard to see in there.
1 teaspoon is not
1
much.
teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It's okay. It's okay if we get messy. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/2, well, we have half of a lemon here, and we're gonna squeeze. Mom, you wanna squeeze it?
Try
I'll
to
squeeze it.
Ooh.
Where did you?
Stir it up.
And now we gotta stir it. It's good.
All
Alright, my mom got it stirred a lot better there. Alright, are you gonna help us with this part? We have some already made crust we got from the store. This is a graham cracker crust. You wanna help me dump this in here?
Sure. Good job, Lily.
We also have pre-made pie crust here. We're gonna roll the pie crust. You wanna help me roll it?
Yeah.
Okay, Lily, now your turn to spray.
Alright, go ahead, honey. Spray them
Make
up.
sure,
Nope,
make
it's
sure the
facing
point
you,
is,
honey.
yeah.
Oh, let's turn it this way.
Oh, that looks good. Fingers. That smell good?
I'll do it.
Hold on. So now we got a little bit more sugar here, and we're gonna sprinkle it on top. So there is our apple pie so far. So now we're gonna take this and put it in the oven.
So we're putting it in the oven at 375, is that correct?
Yes.
For how long?
For 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
And we'll check it and see if it's done.
Yay! And that's how it goes.
Okay, so we also have some apple chips that we were making. We put some cinnamon on them and we put them in the air fryer. See how they taste.
Oh, that's awesome.
Tastes good?
Tastes just like apple pie.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. Do you want to taste one?
Sure. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right? Awesome.
That came out really good. Oh, God.
You want one, Jimmy?
So,
And here it is. It looks delicious. Do you want to try? All right.
It's a little...
It fell apart, but
It was our first time making it, so we're going to see how it is.
Okay. Oh, wow. That's really good.
Actually, come out really good.
Mm-hmm.
We did a good job.
Yeah, we did. Besides it falling apart, but
Yeah.
tastes delicious.
That came out really good.
Yeah. Awesome.
Would you guys like to try some? It's very flaky.
Mm-hmm.
It's very smooth.
Very moist.
Mm-hmm. The apples are nice and soft.
Mm-hmm.
Everything blended nicely together, all the ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
You can have the rest of that if you want, Ma.
Oh, sure. I just need some ice cream.
Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell notification down below so you don't miss any of my videos like this one. I really appreciate you all. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Still no ice cream.
Do you want to add anything? Where did we go today? Okay. Tell the camera.
Apple picking.
We went apple picking.
Yeah.
We're waiting on the apple pie to be done.
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my eyelash is coming off. That's awesome.
Ooh, that smells so sweet in the air. Smells good already.
Yeah, it does. You smell it? You smell it?
Go
Go ahead. Try to squeeze whatever's left.
Let's see a pit. Oh wait, no, that's not it.
Seed, you mean?
Seed. I'm sorry.
A pit? What? Armpit?